Hi, my name is Robert Wiley. This is my presentation on artificial intelligence and the impact on democracy. My research question was, how can the new advancements in AI potentially affect democracy? And can AI help governments become more transparent and efficient, or will it lead us toward excessive surveillance and tighter authoritarian control? The AI arms race is a global competition among nations and major tech companies to develop and deploy AI technologies, particularly for military applications. AI development is moving so fast that we can't fully keep up with its consequences or know its potential consequences. The Majorana 1 from Microsoft is a new quantum chip that has a new state of matter. It is not a solid, liquid, or gas, but a topological state. Why does this matter? AI will become combined with these new quantum systems, becoming faster and better every year. Google's new Willow chip can correct its own errors, or rather, reduce errors exponentially as we scale up using more qubits, meaning more it is used, the better it will become at detecting errors by itself. As well as the new chip was able to perform a standard benchmark computation in under 5 minutes that would take one of today's fastest supercomputers 10 septillion years to complete. So what happens when governments start using this power? Well, China's new generation AI development plan sets goal of becoming a global innovation center by 2030. Despite extensive U.S. efforts to restrict China's access to advanced technology through export controls and restrictions, this has actually helped China being able to advance its homegrown ecosystem that runs just as efficiently at fractions of the cost. United States efforts to hold back China AI progress are unlikely to succeed. China is advancing rapidly in AI research and application and challenging US's dominance in the critical field. The question is not whether the United States can contain China in AI, but whether it can keep ahead. Benefits of AI has for democracy include civic tech, where they can improve the citizen government interaction engagement, efficiency, where they can improve automation and automating tasks and improve overall efficiencies within the government. AI can help with decision making, being more data driven and accurate policies. It can be another form of checks and balances. Another benefit is political information access, where they would be able to simplify complex ideas for the public that everyone can understand what is happening within the government. Dangers of AI for democracy include misinformation, where it can alter public opinion, the algorithmic bias, it reinforces discrimination, lack of awareness within citizens, as well as exclusion, where marginalized groups may be ignored or not be considered in legal processes. Here's a sources or charts from Pew Research showing that 39% of Republicans and Democrats think that AI will be used for bad in presidential campaigns, and 57% of all people are extremely concerned about AI's influence on the 2024 election. Now, how can AI benefit authoritarian regimes? Well, for surveillance, they can track and predict citizen behavior, facial recognition used to monitor citizens 24/7. They're able to track dissent and protest in real time, and predictive policing based on biased historical data. Currently, right now, there's some stuff on protests not being allowed in the United States. Misinformation and propaganda. It automates messaging. They would be able to generate deep fakes and fake news controlled narratives. They would be able to use farms to push down opposition voices on media, and they can manipulate public opinion. They can use it for censorship and control, reinforcing regime power. Final thoughts is AI is a powerful tool, but tools depend on the user. Democracies must adapt to AI while protecting transparency and fairness. Citizens must stay informed and involved in how AI is used as it is applied in almost every aspect of your life now. My final thoughts is AI does not look beneficial for most democracies without proper application.